Hey, welcome back to Milmo Wood here from the beautiful North Wales. Today just a really quick simple project. I'm feeling like using up some waste wood. I got some 4x4 post material, only a little section, no use for posts. Got to make something a little special out of these, just a little gimmicky thing. Why not watch the whole video, give me the thumbs up, hit the bell and maybe even subscribe. Whoa! So I've sanded back the edges, not to a perfectly fine finish because they're a bit rustic, and I've knocked the corners off, just sanded them rounded and the ends, ready for the next step. Okay, I'm just going to knock a corner off now and kind of curve it round, just very quickly sanding it. So I've picked a forstner bit, you could use a spade bit, and I'm just going to drill next to the side of the sanding that I've done. I'm just going to drill to the depth of the forstner bit here so that they're all equal depth. Just need to align the next one. You see what it is yet? It's a little owl. Okay, so I've got a bit of acrylic paint. I'm just going to paint the top. I don't suppose it matters really what colour you paint the top. Now don't worry too much about a crisp edge, because what we're going to do is when it's painted, we're just going to quickly do a finish sanding on it, which will knock any overrun off. And then we're just going to bring that down the front edge that we sanded. And with it being end grain, just make sure you've worked it into the end grain. And there you go, rustic owl. Cool, eh? Quick half-hour job.